Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more and Emerson's Adventures. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. And for this Tuesday, I've went with a Memorial Day theme. So come along and I'll show you what I have come up with. And I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor DIY and Emerson's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of this tablescape on Tuesday. I will be leaving the ladies' information in my description box, so make sure you all go over and check out their channels. So now I'll tell you a little bit about my tablescape. The flowers here were from the Goodwill. The necklace you see on each side was from the Dollar Tree. The little stars was from the Dollar Tree. The flowers in the vases I have made here were also from the Dollar Tree. The unicorns were also from the Dollar Tree, and I actually purchased all of this last year, so I didn't really have to go out and buy anything this year. The plates that I'm using as a charger were from the Dollar Tree. The red plates were from Goodwill. The sunflower napkin holders was from Goodwill. So for Memorial Day, this is a very budget-friendly tablescape. And as you see on my door, what I've taken is 3 of the little butterfly wings, and I made it a wreath. And they were from the Dollar Tree. They were $1.25 each. So I tied 3 together and made a door wreath. On the back of the chairs, these were also from the Dollar Tree. The pillow cover that you see here is actually one of the chair covers. And what I actually did with that, I put it over the pillow and made it a pillow cover instead of a chair cover. Hope I've given you some ideas today on decorating your table for the Memorial holiday. And I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Tablescape Tuesday. And if you're not a part of the design family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. And don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.